All right, here's the next one, which is Who's Next? Lifehouse discs 7 to 11. You got two discs for Live at the Young Vic in London. You got two discs for Live at the Civic Auditorium, San Francisco. And then disc 11 is a Blu-ray, the original album and bonus tracks. So let's open this up and take a look at what that all looks like on the inside. All right, so there's the first two discs. So disc 7, as you can see, disc 8, disc 9, which is part 1 of the San Francisco show, disc 10, San Francisco, and then this is the Blu-ray, and here's all the stuff it has on it. You can see it's got some cool additional bonus track stuff on it. So that's what's inside the second set of discs here.